Hi everyone, this is Erica from the Gloucester County Library Mullica Hill branch, here to help you explore some of the resources offered on our website. Enjoy some pictures of my lovely co-workers as they go about their very busy day, and I'll explain what we're going to explore today. Our library subscribes to a large number of databases that can teach you things, amuse you, or simply pass the time during what we know is a very, very rough time for everyone. Today we're going to explore a historical database, the title of which is Facts on File, World News Digest. I'll teach you how to get there from the very beginning, starting with a simple browser such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. I prefer to use Chrome, so that's what I'm going to use today. First, open up your browser, and you're going to type in our website address, which is www.gcls.org. Hit return or enter, and that will take you to our website. You'll see the blue tabs at the top of the screen, and we're looking for e-reference. Click on that tab, and a drop-down list is shown. You're going to go to Online Resources, move your mouse over, and choose Databases A to Z. You can also explore by subject, but today we know where we're going. We're going to scroll down this alphabetical list until we find Facts on File. Most of these databases are available from home through your library card. Click on the title Facts on File, World News Digest. It will ask for your library card number, that's what they mean by barcode, and your PIN, which is the last 4 digits of your library card number. There's my Tucker again. He's a hedgehog. He's prickly like a hairbrush. Sign in, and this will take you directly to World News Digest. The news is gathered weekly from around the world, updated weekly, and you can explore that today, but today we're going to explore the more historical features of this website. In the top left corner of your screen, you'll see 3 lines, and that will take you to the menu for this website. That's how I prefer to explore it, but you can click on whatever you want. The menu drops down and shows you news by country, by people, by topic. Today we're going to explore landmark events. I'm going to go down to the Watergate Scandal just to use this as an example of how this website can teach you about history. The beautiful thing is this website will teach you what people were thinking at the time by showing you the current news of the day. Not a historian's perspective, but the actual sources from that time. The articles are arranged by date from newest to oldest. You can choose a different arrangement, but this one works well as also. And you'll see it goes from August 2013 to August 1974, which is when the scandal happened. I clicked on one of the articles, and one of the beautiful things about this website is you can click on having it read to you rather than having to read it. When I click on that, it gives me audio.
Congressional support erodes after Nixon.
I'm going to go back now and show you some of the other resources. I use my back browser button, but I can also use what are called breadcrumbs, where my mouse is here, following my breadcrumbs backwards. Now I'd like to see some media, meaning videos and audio recordings from that time period. So I click on media and it shows me videos that were taken during that time, during the time of the Watergate hearings. When I click on that, it will take me to the video with a transcript on the right side of the screen of everything that President Nixon was saying. When I click play, I'll also hear the audio for that. If I don't want to see the transcript, I can click the X next to the word transcript, and then that will disappear. I can also make the video larger by hovering over it with my mouse and clicking on the two arrows to expand the screen. And to go back to where I was, I would click those arrows again. It's a little off screen, but I am clicking those same arrows to reduce it back to its original size. Let me show you some of the other things that this website offers. Other tabs you can click on within a subject are primary sources and references. But I'm going to go back up to my 3 bars that take me back to my menu. And this time I'm going to show you some of the resources I can focus a little more on. For instance, I could go to facts and statistics, but what I really want to do is see historical videos. So I click on that, and it gives me some featured videos. But what I'm really looking for is a certain decade. So I can click on filter by decade, and it will take me to videos, original videos from that decade, in this case, the 1980s. Video resources, 1980s. You can scroll down, choose what you want. I'm going to follow my breadcrumbs back again, or I'm going to go to my menu buttons, and I want to show you on landmark events, you can view all and choose from a list, but you can also, again, they arrange this by decade, making it a little easier to find what you want. You can, of course, type in the search bar that is right next to the words World News Digest. These are all things that you can explore yourself if you'd like. You can narrow the number of decades that you want to explore, that you want to search by, if you want to search by subject, just by using those sliders there. And that's it. Have a great day and have fun exploring our website.